828 Find Adventure here. I just replaced the shocks on my Toyota Tundra with some Bilstein 5100s. Let's go check it out. Before we get into this video, be sure and check out my other videos on installing running boards, my wheels and tires, my bumper end caps, and a number of other things on the Toyota Tundra. So check those out too. Here's a quick before and after of installing the Bilstein 5100s on a third generation Tundra. The front of these trucks have an exaggerated rake, especially if you have the towing package, which is likely due to the heavy-duty leaf spring. The difference between the front and rear height is over 2 inches if unloaded, but even with some gear and a 200-pound truck topper, there was still 1 3/4 inch difference. A rake like this puts a lot of wear on the front brakes, since that is where all the weight is balanced and will likely cause premature brake wear. Like I said, I kicked around this idea since I got the truck and finally pulled the trigger. I ordered front and rear shocks, but have only just installed the fronts. You can order these shocks in pairs or as a set, or individually, which is why I went with the 5100s. I have heard since the 6112s are manufactured in limited supply, they are difficult to find by themselves. If availability, if you damage one, is a concern, going with the 5100s is your best bet. I had the front shocks or struts installed with the C-clip type ring placed on the top for maximum lift, of just over 2 inches, and the vehicle looks fantastic. The rear sits about 1/4 to 1/2 inch lower, but almost unnoticeable. Some say this is level. Remember, I do have a 200-pound topper and 100 pounds of gear, give or take. Take all that off, and the truck would sit completely level. So let's go drive it. What an amazing difference I can feel with these new shocks. These are the Bilstein 5100s. I had them put on the top setting so I could get the most lift out of the truck. It is amazing. It has made the truck look different, and the ride is, I'm telling you, just go do it. The ride is amazing, and the way it corners now is like a sports car. It's amazing. Before, there was a lot of body roll. There was a lot of kind of bouncing and kind of, I don't know what you'd call it, just kind of, I wouldn't say bouncing, but just really soft so the nose would dive. Now that the vehicle is level, it's riding level. Even around curves on mountain roads, it's doing great. Anyways, I am very satisfied with these, worth every penny, and they're actually a great price. I considered the 6112s, but I'm gonna wait till later to see what kind of driving I do with this truck down the road, to see if I will upgrade the complete suspension to something more off-road worthy. Driving on a gravel road seemed as perfect as driving on the asphalt. The truck handled well and absorbed most of the washboard. Note, I'm running 48 PSI in these E-Class Yokohama Geolanders, and they still rode smooth with these shocks. That's my take on it. I'm glad I spent the money and went ahead and did this. It's gonna make this a really nicer truck to drive around town. I drive the same roads a lot, hit the same bumps daily, and I'm telling you, this has made it a lot more pleasant. So anyways, I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you make a decision on whether you'll buy these or not. You know, I was very hesitant. Took me 6 months to make this decision, and I'm glad I finally did it. If you want to watch a great video on how the front and rear Bilstein 5100s are installed, check out Overland Tundra's YouTube videos for the complete installation. Well, I hope you liked the video of me replacing my shocks with some Bilstein 5100s. I am amazed at the difference. It's the best modification I've done to this truck since I've got it. It changed everything. The look, the ride, the handling, amazing. And all I did was replace the front shocks. I'll be replacing the back ones soon, so look for that video. Anyways, if you enjoyed this and found it informative, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it, and it'd help drive some traffic to my YouTube channel. Anyways, stay tuned. I've got a bunch more videos coming with mods and things I'm building for this Tundra. So check them out, subscribe, and you'll see them first. And I will see you next time. See ya.